number. He could talk to him.
So please tell me what happened to it.
Oh. Well, Benita lost the scroll function on her phone, and so we checked and changed as many places that we could, and we couldn't find it. And we remembered this place just opened up, and we normally go to the next door place, Peri Peri Chicken. So when she told me that she lost that scroll function, I said, hey, I know a place, it's brand new, let's go see what they can do for us. So we appreciate that you have a friendly, good smile, and honest with us about the choices.
Okay, thank you. And makachoke, thank you.
And nice smile too.
Thank you very much. Here again, ready, good to go. Thank you.
We are back to see the phone. It looks so beautiful.
Yes.
So now you can